Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve Cambridge IGCSE paper May-June 2023 paper 2 extended paper. Coming to question number 1. In this question, CDE is a straight line. We have to find angle ADE. This angle we have to calculate. To calculate this angle ADE, first we have to calculate the inside angle ADC. So first we see ABCD is a four-sided figure, quadrilateral. So the sum of all the four sides will give me the total of 360 degree. So writing that angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D makes 360 degrees. Putting the values, 71 degree plus 104 degree plus 56 degree plus angle D, which we have to calculate the inside angle, equals to 360 degree. Adding up all these three numbers, 71 plus 104 plus 56 will give me 231 degrees plus angle D equal 360 degree. Now taking 231 to the other side of this equals to, it will be subtracted from 360 degrees. So angle D is equals to 360 minus 231, that is 129 degrees. That means this angle came out as 129 degrees. Now to calculate angle ADE, we know that on a straight line the sum of all the angles equals to 180 degrees. So here on a straight line here, see, these two angles will make up 180 degree. That means 129 degree plus angle ADE will be equal to 180 degree. So angle ADE is equals to 180 minus 129, giving me the answer 180 minus 129 gives me 51 degrees. This is the answer of question number 1. Now coming to question number 2, a train journey starts at 21:43, which can be written as 9:43 p.m. It takes 8 hours and 32 minutes to complete the journey. We have to find the time the journey finishes. So hours and minutes, we can write 9:43 and then add 8 hours and 32 minutes in this. So the total will come out as 75 and 9 plus 8 is 17. We all know 75 is the minute time. Minute time cannot be written as more than 60. So we can break this as 60 plus 15. As soon as it becomes 60 minutes, so we can change this 60 into 1 hour. So hour can be added to hours only. So 17 plus 1 will give me 18. And the remaining minutes are 15 minutes. Now change this time, 24-hour time, into the normal time, AM, PM time. So 18 hour 15 minutes can be written as 6:15. And the journey started 21:43, that is 9:43 p.m. So after 8 hours of journey, we will be reaching our destination at 6:15 a.m. Question number 3. The diagram shows a straight line intersecting two parallel lines. Find the value of A and the value of B, giving a geometrical reason for each answer. So this question of parallel lines, where two parallel lines are there and one line that is a transverse line cutting these two lines, we can use the value where A and 58 degree, these two angles are vertically opposite. And we all know vertically opposite angles are same. So the value of A is also 58 degree because vertically opposite. Now then when A is given, you have to calculate the value of B. We all know A in parallel lines, A and B, the sum of A and B will give me 180 degree because they both are co-interior angles. The reason is co-interior angles. So 58 degree plus B is equals to 180 degree. So B is 180 minus 58 degrees. 180 minus 58, 180 minus 58 will give me 122. So I'll write here 122 degrees because A and B are co-interior angles. Coming to question number 4. By writing each number in the calculation correct to one significant figure, work out an estimate for the value of 6.7 into 2.1 divided by 18 minus 5.9. First, writing these number up to one significant figure. 6.7 can be written as 7, 2.1 can be written as 2, 18 can be written as 20, that is nearest round of, minus 5.9 can be written as 6. So we can write 7 2s are 14 divided by 20 minus 6 will give me 14. So my answer will come out as 1. Coming to next question. Eric has 4 colors of paint. The table shows the probability and he uses each color. So red, blue, green, yellow. The probability for red is 0.3. For blue it is 0.35. For green it is 0.13. For yellow it is x. Find the value of x. For probability, let me tell you one thing, that the sum is always 1. So when you know the sum, what you will do? You will subtract rest of the probabilities from 1 to get the probability of yellow. So 1 minus 0.3 minus 0.35 minus 0.13 will give me the value of x. That is the probability of the remaining yellow one. Using calculator, 1 minus 0.3 minus 0.35 minus 0.13 gives me 0.22. So this is the probability of yellow. Question number 6. Calculate the volume of a sphere with diameter 4.8 centimeter. Given the volume of the sphere, formula is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Diameter is given. Diameter is equals to 4.8 centimeter. So radius is equals to diameter upon 2. That means 4.8 divided by 2. It is 2.4 centimeter. So putting this value in the formula, 4 upon 3 into pi, the value of pi is 3.14 into r cube, that is 2.4 whole cube. So we can write here 4 into 3.14 into 2.4 into 2.4 into 2. Okay, let me do it again. 4 into 3.14 into 2.4 into 2.4 into 2.4, which is equals to 173.62, and then this number is divided by the 3 upon 3. So my answer is volume is equals to 57.876. 57.876 centimeter cube. Question number 7. The scale of a map is 1:125,000. On a map, the length of the island giving on the map the length of an island is 9.4 centimeter. Calculate the actual length of the island, giving your answer is in kilometer. So here on map given as 1 centimeter is equals to 125,000 centimeter. So what is 9.4 centimeter? It is 9.4 into 9.4 into 125,000, giving me 117,500 centimeter. Now you have to calculate your answer in kilometers. You have to find your answer in kilometers. So change the centimeter into kilometer. We know 1 kilometer is equals to 100,000 centimeter. So to change this centimeter into kilometer, we divide it by 100,000. So when you divide it by 100,000, what you will be getting? 11.75. You can I can show you here also. This is, then you divide it by 100,000. So 11.75 is your answer. This much kilometer. Question number 8, part A. The nth term of a sequence is 10 minus n square. Write down the first 3 terms of the sequence. So taking the value of n starting with 1, so you can write it as 10 minus 1 square, which will give me 10 minus 1 equals to 9. The other term 10 minus 2 square, that is 10 minus 4 gives you 6, and then 10 minus 3 square, 10 minus 9 will give me 1. So the 3 terms are 9, 6 and 1. Then part B. These are the first 4 terms of another sequence, 7, 10, 13 and 16. Find an expression for the nth term of the sequence. So first find a relation between the terms, first and second term, then second and third term, and then third and fourth term. So you can see 7 plus 3 will give me 10, and then 10 plus 3 will give me 13, and then 13 plus 3 will give me 16. So something like 3n should be there. So when you write 3n, you can see while putting the value of n as 1, and the first term is 7. To get 7, what you will be adding in 3 to get 7? You will add 4. Similarly, so 3n plus 4 will give me the term, because if you will write it here as 3n plus 4 equals to what? When you write n as 1, then it will be 3 plus 4, 7. When you write n is equals to 1, for n is equals to 1, for n is equals to 2, 3 2 is 6 plus 4, 10. N is equals to 3. 3 3 is 9 plus 4, 13. N is equals to 4. So 3 4s are 12 plus 4 is 16. So we are getting the sequence like this. Coming to question number 9. These two triangles are given as similar triangles. ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Calculate the value of H. We know in similar triangles the sides are in ratios. The ratio of the sides are equal. So we can write as H upon 5.6 is equals to 8.1 upon 7.2. So we can write 8.1 divided by 7.2 will give me 1.125. This is H upon 5.6. Taking 5.6 to the other side of the is equals to, taking 5.6 to the other side of the is equals to, so it will be multiplied 5.6 into 1.125. That means the answer is multiplied by 5.6. So my answer is 6.3 centimeter. Okay. Coming to question number 10. Without using a calculator, work out 2 whole number 1 upon 7 divided by 5 upon 6. So you will write, changing the whole number into the fraction. 7 2s are 14 plus 1, which will give me 15 upon 7 divided by 5 upon 9. Change the divide into multiplied. The number after the division will flip. So it will become 9 upon 5. We can cut 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15. So 3 9s are 27 divided by 7. Now you have to divide 27 divided by 7. 7 3s are 21. 7 minus 1 6 and 0. So your answer is 3 whole number 6 upon 7.